Recessed lights. They're leaky, inefficient, and in my house, inconsistent. I counted as many as 6 different style light bulbs in my own home. It was time for an upgrade. I'll show you an easy way to upgrade these lights and start saving some money today on the Craftsman blog. Working with these, which are commercial electric, I think it's much more attractive. It's just a plain plate. This is an LED, it's 65 watts, and I have adjustable basically colors to the lights. So like very soft white to warm light to kind of a cold light to a daylight, all that kind of stuff. You can just adjust it on the back with this little switch. Really super easy. What you have to do is I've unscrewed the light bulb. I'm going to pull this can out. The only thing that holds this can out are these 2 little clips on here, and then you just squeeze these release things and you've got this dangling. Just set your can aside. These come with just a handy little screw in, and this plugs into the back side of the light. So I'm going to screw it into here. I'm going to tuck it up here away, and then I'm going to clip this into my light this way. And I'm going to adjust the color of my light to what I want. I want the soft white. And then you use the 2 clips that come with it that are on each side, and it clips up and away on each side. There we go. And you push it into the opening like that. Square it away. Done. You got a new recessed light. Much more energy efficient. The casing of this and everything doesn't let as much air down as the traditional can lights. And I've done some of the temperature testing on them. The other ones, like with a traditional incandescent bulb, in my house, were running at 224 degrees. And then I did an infrared test on this, and it was running at only 91 degrees, which was a huge change. I mean, not just how much energy efficiency it's using, but we're talking about how much heat this thing is throwing off. So it keeps it much cooler. So easy way to do it. Think about making that change, and I'll have some of the information in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip on saving you some money with your old house. And go ahead and subscribe while you're here. Check out some of these other great videos. There's lots more information to go around to help you DIY better and really fix up and restore that old house.